Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn about a side menu in SwiftUI, how to create animations and create a side menu, custom side menu in SwiftUI. Here I have created a demo. Suppose when I click here and I click here and I click here, and there is other view that I have created. So this is how it will work. So let's start with the code. So I have added two variables with in type of selected index for selected index and is slided means if the custom menu is slided or not, to check this. So it will be of state type, and I have taken one stack and that stack and image for background. So let's start. First of all, we will add a side menu. For that we need to add a v stack, and we will add a um, button with action, and we will remove this with and h stack. Image will be there, and it will be resizable, and there will be a width and height. And image will be of home, and the text will be home. Width will be of 30, and height will be of 30. Now you can see button and image. Now we will add some padding here. So now we have a home, and now we will add some foreground color. Dot white, so it will be white color. Now we need to add one more button for the second one option in menu. You can add list or any other option you want to use. So it will be of order type, and buyers. So now we have two options. So we will make it toward the we will add frame here. So now it will cover a whole frame, and now we will move it to uh, leading. So for that we need to add a h stack and put that code inside, and control that. We will check with if it will work. Alignment, let's see. Alignment is leading. Now it is not working, so we need to add a horizontal stack outside and put that vertical stack inside the horizontal stack. and add a spacer. Now you can now you will see it will move to the leading. Now we need to what we need to is that to move to the top. So for that we will add spacer and it will move to the top. Now we have added to the top. Now we will add a padding from the top. It will be of 30. Let's make it 40. Now it is we will make it 50. Okay, now it is working fine. So now what we need is to add a view here for home page. Struct home view of view type, and then where some and add a vertical stack here and a button with home button, and one action will be here, and one more thing. Okay, now we have button home view. So now we will add this code here to here. So it will be our background color dot white, corner radius of 20. So let's see what it will do. We need to add these with two variables to bind these values here, so they can change whenever the value change here in home view. It will be changed automatically in animation side menu. So it will be of integer type, and this will be of boolean type. So now what we have to do is that we need to make cell dot index equal to 0. If I click on first button, home button, then the select index will be for 0. Cell dot is slided equal to is it will make it true and false automatically, and the same case will be for here. We will make index 1 and vice, and this toggle will convert true to false, false to true. Now what we need is we need to check if selected select index equal to 0, else we need to check for home view. Select cell dot selected index and cell dot select is selected. Now we have passed all the values, and let's resume this what it will do. So now we have added a view over this side menu. It will be on this image there will be a same functionality as like in. For that we need to add index 0, because it is whenever this button is clicked, its value will change and the view will also change. So let's for now we have nothing on this. So we need to do more here. In home view we will add a scale effect which will zoom out or zoom in the view. It will be if self is slided, if slided then 0.9, else 0. Now you will see here it is false first time, and scale effect if equal to is equals to true, so it is false first time, so it is making it, we need to make it 0 and 0.9. Let's see what it will do. It is scaled already, so we need 0.9 and 1. So let's see, now you can see scaling of the view. Now we have scaled, so one more thing what we have to do, add animation dot, put the toggle in with the animation inside the animation. Same here, we need to copy this, paste it here, paste it here, and make it aligned. Now you will see, now you will see the animation going on. So one more thing that we don't need to do is to move the view to the left, right side. So for that we need offset. We will change only the x value, so if is selected slided, then UI screen dot man dot bounds dot size dot height divided by 3, else it will be 0. So it will move the, x value, offset value to, first time it will be 0, otherwise it will be like this, it will move towards the, it is much more, so we will add 2 here. So now you can see it is, we will add 4. Let's see, sorry, we don't need to add width, height, we need to add width, so for that we need to add 2. Now you will see 3. Okay, now it's fine. Now what we have to do is that as you can see we have already added. Now we will add a one more view that will be of buyers view, buyers button, and the same, everything will be same, only the buyers view. Now we will change the buyers view to, and we will add here buyers view. If you will add multiple views, you can add as many as you want. On the basis of selected index you can set the view currently appearing. So let's see, how it will work. So home button, when I click on home button it will be like this, and when I click on buyers button, you can see buyers button. This is how the animation works in this scenario. So in buyers view, whatever you want to do is your choice, but for now you can add one more thing, rotate. You can also rotate the view. It will be rotate angle dot init, and it will be degrees self dot is slided. If it is slided, then -5, otherwise it will be 0. We need to make the degree. Now you can see the animation here with the 3D effect. You have not applied it yet here. You can apply it here also. Now you will see on buyer's order on. This is all about the side menu. You can add as many as you want to add. So the as many views you want to add, you can add, and whatever the functionality you want to add, you can add the list here. What as like I have already added. You can move this button to here in as a menu. It's your choice how you want to do it. For now, I just want to show the how we can add the custom side menu in SwiftUI. That's all for today tutorial. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe so I can make more content on SwiftUI. Thank you so much.